Hello everyone, we are continuing with sliding window problems. By the way, I did a minimum window substring again today. I was trying to find the problems. There were so many mistakes. No wonder it was not working. There were probably 5 or 6 mistakes in the logic. So yeah, no, this is from yesterday. This is yesterday's code. I left off here, and then this is a fixed code. Like, okay, you know what's the most silly mistake was? This. Well, not really this. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so yeah, minimum. For example, I'm keeping minimum, setting it to the s length, right? But so what I did was I changed this condition. I changed this condition to when count is equal to 0, then you enter the while loop. Now the problem, well, I kind of forgot. Yeah, so the problem I faced was that checking this condition, whenever we have repeating characters in the input, this can fail, because my minimum, I'm setting it here as dot length. If yeah, so if my s has duplicates, then this fails. Okay, here I'm like slightly doing it differently, but this is what I was testing, or maybe that was a different problem. Yeah, so actually this is important point, but we're not talking about this today. We are talking about this problem today. Longest substring without repeating characters. Even though it says I have done this, I'm going to do this using a substring sliding window template. God, I deleted that tab. I wanted to copy the code. Okay, let's minimum. Let's copy everything. Paste. Right. Yeah, now let's read the problem. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. Yeah, typical sign the problem. Yes. So this is A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B, a lot of duplicates. The answer is A, B, C with the length of 3. Note that B, C, A, and C, A are also good. Okay. Here the answer is B. Okay. BWW. BWW. And there is another W. That means well, this time we only have one string. This time I only have one string in the input. So that means would I create a map? Well, my window starts. This part is gonna keep. It remains. Well, I start at A. As I'm going through the A, B, C, and then A again. So when I have a duplicate, one, well, I obviously can't use this condition if my and current character checking the frequency, if it's 0, because we won't. 0. Can I? So I don't need to. I can keep the frequency of each character to 1. And then this will stay the same. Where's my count? Count is 0. Okay, so count is 0. Count plus plus and end plus plus. Let's delete this. No need found, I think. Maybe not. While count is equal to 0, I'm gonna do count minus minus. And here I'm decreasing the frequency. It means I only need one. I only need a character. I only need it once. If contains key, decrease the frequency. The frequency for each character is 1 already, so that will make it 0. Counter minus minus. But no. That's I want the Okay, I think it was fine previously. I will not just, I will increase my E at the end. Imagine I'm here, I find a E again. So decrease the frequency, but I will not keep that A. No, that will not do. By the way, I did this problem without using like substring sliding window template, and I think that solution was easy to understand. Here I'm feeling like I'm trying to force this into this pattern. A B C A B C B B. Actually, let's its frequency to and if frequency becomes greater than 0 greater than 1. Okay, that's when I know I have my first duplicate. That means so when I have my first duplicate, I decrease count. Okay, maybe I don't need count in this one. I can simply say that when my end minus begin longest. Okay, longest. Longest. Let's set this to 0. Is greater than max. While my end is greater than max. If my current window is greater than my my max window, then what should I do? Find the length of the longest substring without duplicate. The requirements, the condition is very simple. If that key is already in the map, so what I should do is I should instead of using a map, maybe use a hash set. as I'm finding character, I just keep adding them into my hash map, right? For example, set mutable set of integer character. Okay. So I can say if my set does not contains send character, then that means my set doesn't contain the send character, and that means this is the first time using this character. So let's add it to my set. Add end character to my set. Else, now in this else case, ABC, I begin moving my this pointer. Well, first of all, now I know I have a valid window. I can say if and -1 minus begin. By the way, if I have found a duplicate, then that means my end has already moved one step. So maybe -1. Okay, we'll see about this. Is greater than my max. If my current window is, if I found a greater window, then well, left is equal to end, left is equal to begin, right is equal to end -1. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. Now, so I will move my begin pointer. What would I do with that? So set dot remove character, just undoing what we were doing in the same thing what we were doing using hash map, marking it up, removing it from the window, or moving the window to the right. So this was my window. I'm just shrinking the size. Is this even important, shrinking? Because well, as I'm shrinking the window, I'm shrinking. ABCA. If this is my window, I removed end character. Yes, this one. A. So now there is no A in my set. Only increase my end pointer when this condition is valid. Now the end pointer is same. And at the end, I think we're basically done with this. I will just do this. S. Result is S. Okay. Let's remove this. Need a hash map. Don't need this. Don't need a count. Alright. Maybe last index is right. Max and begin set. And sef and minus begin. 0, 1, 2, 3. Four minus is greater than this. Begin. Really? We are not even expected to return the substring. That makes it so easy. Then I just need to return max. See, I'm not updating max. Yep. Empty string. That's our length. Expected 1. Output is 0. Expected 1. that same problem. Or I can have the max set to no -1 maybe. Does that make no? Doesn't make any difference. Is this? I mean, that's definitely an edge case. So can I just say if dot length is equal to 1, just return the string. Just return 1. All right. We'll wait. 27 minutes. Let's go. Man. AU. AU. Why is it returning? Oh. AU. Is it because? Okay, and add to my set and add to my set. Yeah, I am basically leaving the loop early. What if I return my set's length? Size. Return if max is greater than my set size. Return max, else this. I use this case, right? No, I have not. So I don't think we need this condition anymore. No, let's see. Can I submit? Yeah. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. Let's look at the last solution. Last solution was submitted on 10 October. And yeah, I basically did the same thing. All right. Yeah, I'm checking the length here. Updating the max here. Yeah, this one is more simpler. And the, I don't know, like the template did not fit here. Right? It doesn't fit here. I think that's the way. Okay, so longest substring at most two distinct characters. This problem is locked. Don't think I can do this then. Okay, then I think that's it for today. I'll find more substring problems and do them. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.